Hello buddies, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to replace the as200 right hand switch with rs200 bs31. You can see the quality of the switch. To replace this switch, we have to change the throttle cable with new one. You can see this throttle cable has different nut, and this one is a screw type one. We have about 238 rupees. You can see the part number. The switch cost about 595 rupees. You can check the part number right over here. To remove this bar and weight, now we have to remove both screws right over here, star screws. Remove both screws and open the switch set. And remove the throttle. Remove the throttle cable from the throttle. Next, remove the star screw right over. Remove the screw and remove the old throttle cable. Now cut the zip ties that are holding the. After remove the switch, remove the brake light switch right over here and cut the zip ties. Remove both sockets. And remove the old switch set back. You can see the condition of this switch fully have broken out. To install rs200 switch, we have to rotate the handlebar. We have to locate this hole to down. You can see the stopper of as200 is below. The stopper of as200 is right over here. Loose both 8 mm nut right over here and rotate the brake cylinder, master cylinder. Remove the handlebar cap and loose the Allen key right over. Before installing the switch, connect the throttle cable into the slot. Now install the new switch into its slot right over here. Install the throttle and it grip into its slot. After installing switch and throttle, reinstall the both bolts on bottom. After tightening the bottom bolts, tighten the handlebar and reinstall it cap back. Adjust the handlebar and tighten both 8 mm bolts. Install the bar and weight that we have removed. Route the new wiring cables. And connect both brake cable lights right over here. Reconnect the board socket that we have removed. After installing socket, tuck into its place. Install new zip tie here and cut the end. Tuck the wiring properly and on the bike. Check that all switches are working. We have successfully replaced our as200 switches with rs200 one. See you in the next video. Goodbye.